Hi beauties, how are you all doing, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Mama of French Girls. Yes, it's me. Thank you so much, my returning subscribers. I thank you all for always stopping by, and for all those who have been watching me and who haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, hit the red button, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, before we go on with the video, I just want to thank Mama Dinah Ekweme. Yes, I want to thank her for this masterclass when she teach. Yes, even if I paid for the service, yes, but it was well delivered. There are things that I didn't know and I know now. So this to say, this brings us to this topic of today.
Another banger, baby, calm down, calm down.
So today I'm gonna be talking about things that I wish I knew before starting my YouTube channel. Yes, so let's get straight to the video. Number one thing is having videos ideas already. Like I did this mistake and it was a very big one. Yes, I did my intro video, yes, and then I stopped at a certain time. I didn't know what to post on this YouTube. I didn't have ideas of any videos, so I was lack of consistency, and also it can make you lose subscribers. I didn't lose subscribers, no, but it can actually make you lose some of your subscribers and your audience too. So my advice to you before opening your YouTube channel or even starting up posting videos, you must have at least 5 or some videos aside that you could post when you don't have any other ideas of any video that you want to post. So yes, number 2 is being confident. Yes, you must be confident in yourself. So that was one of the biggest mistakes that I made on this YouTube street, and I think that I'm still making this mistake because I'm a shy person. Yes, I think that I'm a shy person. This is why the main reason why I opened this YouTube channel, so that this shyness would go away. So, and I'm seeing results now because Mama Dinah taught us that you must not be shy, you must be confident, have pride, be confident in whatever you are doing, and it will go up. And the last one, which I learned with Mama Dinah, is having a business email. Yes, I didn't know this one, but when I went to Mama Dinah's class, she taught us that you must have a business email address. Yes, so apart from the one that you are using for your YouTube, you must have another one, because this can bring you you are gonna miss out on collaborations. Like if you have people who want to collaborate with you, having so many email in your email address already, you might lose this collaboration. Yes guys, so this is the 3 things that I wish I knew before opening my YouTube channel, and no one ever told me until I went to Mama Dinah's masterclass, and I am so proud of going to this masterclass. So guys, for this, we are at 600 subscribers and I'm so happy. Yes, I am happy guys. So thank you all so much for stopping by to my channel to watch my videos, and if you haven't clicked, what are you waiting for? Please click on this button down below, notification bell, so whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. And for this, so bye guys.